greensandmachines.com. Yeah, we here at Bar Z, and I must say, as the official, unofficial Jasmine connoisseur, I'm really a fan of Stan's back fence. It's relatively new, so the growth has been progressing pretty good. Yeah, see my blog post about Jasmine. I was peeping the swap meet. There were actually a few things that I might want to buy, so let's see if they're still there.
Yeah.
Now I actually have a giveaway this year. Someone took my regulator, nice. Some have been taken so far. Place is pretty buzzing. So I was looking at that. And the rotary table. I want it. I need to build one of these because I just bought a Milwaukee one.
It's a nice.
But we all know what I want. Yeah, vegan food.
Nope. All right, we already got a real pressure cooker going on here. What do we got? Do you crack on the pressure?
Yeah, I do.
You
so,
do?
Yeah.
What about you, Peter? What pressure?
I did better at the 4-jaw contest this year, winning the first round, but the second round they gave me a piece of hex stock, and I was halfway in before I realized, wait a minute, 6 is not divisible by 4. So trying to adjust all the jaws to the same height in the beginning won't work because you're chucking on 2 flats and 2 points, which are further apart. Other cool stuff. Lemons. The guy from the Ready Saw brought his big cast hydraulic press, which I was very impressed with. Stan's hose reel for the gas cylinder with the horseshoe that hooks right over the top of the bottle. I thought that was genius. And at Dale Dairy's swap meet table, I was intrigued by this adapter, which appears to be a Morse taper to Chuck key. Like, why would you ever need that? And I got my redemption signing the wrench completely this time. Back in 2019, I tried signing it, but someone didn't think I had a YouTube channel, so I only had gotten the G, and this time I filled in the rest of my name. Alright, we are back, and I achieved my goal of resulting in a net reduction of volume, meaning that I got rid of more stuff than I acquired. So, the aluminum bars were a smashing success, as they were all taken. I also gave away that blower that I found, and that regulator air filter combo that I bought at a garage sale that I didn't really need. What did we get? We got this nice little rotary table, which will go nice, perfectly fitting on my Knuth machine. We got a 5-inch DeWalt angle grinder from Tom Lipton, and most curiously, it's actually made in Italy. And conveniently in the swag bag, a package of DeWalt cutting discs, perfect for that. Also, I like these scales. At what point do you call it a ruler instead of a scale? I guess it's all relative. And of course, more anchor lube, because that stuff is great. We got a big fat lemon, which Squashy Grapefruit is approving of right now. And we stopped by the bakery and I got some bread. And the food there was really good. You might be wondering, why do I still have the plate? It's because I was already brainstorming ideas for a rotary fixture with that. So overall, it's a good success. My friend Andres won an 8-inch digital caliper from Shars, basically the bigger version of the one I won last year. I was originally planning to bring the grapefruit juicer, but Stan told me that due to the frost earlier this year, they didn't have any. But I should have brought it anyways because the Bollinger boys were making lemonade, And their juicer broke actually, so next year we'll bring it. And look at that lemon. It's so funny. So if my promotional stunt gave me 36 new subscribers today, welcome. Greens and Machines, welcome. The only thing I was actually disappointed with was Stan on Instagram months ago said there was going to be a left-handed engineering drawings challenge, and there wasn't. And I was really looking forward to that because back in college I taught myself how to write with both hands. So I was thinking, dude, I'm going to sweep this. But maybe it was just an April Fool, so joke's on me. Wait, how did that big bumpy lemon taste? No, don't get the camera wet. That tastes like a lemon. I don't get it. It tastes just fine when I use grapefruit. What do you mean you're supposed to add water and sugar? Who adds sugar to fruit?